I found a cool vintage motorcycle shop here in Okinawa. Time to go make a new friend. Out at Okinawa here, a lot of treasure. The Yamaha Cafe Racer. Old 500 Triumph. 75 Norton, severely modified. It has a negative ground to it now. Ah, here's his stuff. I got Yamahas. Kawasaki. 17. UK. UK license plate. But how cool is this? We do not speak at all the same language, but we can say T120, T140, and all that information. We can just sit there and nod our heads and just speak motorcycle. I don't even know what his name is. Cafe Racer stuff. It's got the tanks, pipes. Awesome. After we shared a bunch of photos, found out his name's Oshiro. There's his shop. Domo arigato, Oshiro, for letting me see your motorcycles. Everything you do looks fabulous.